Hello children, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Yesterday I gave some homework. Have you done it? Okay. So you have done the homework very neatly. Okay. Yesterday which work I gave? Cursive letters. How to write cursive letters. Yesterday I gave this practice, isn't it? So yesterday what did I say for you? Today I am going to teach you the differences in cursive writing. In three different ways are there. Okay. Upper stroke, down stroke and middle stroke. So three different strokes I will teach you today. You just follow it from my board and do it in the classwork very neatly. Use your sharp pencil children. Please children, I am telling you once again, use your sharp pencil. Don't use a blunt pencil and don't use the tiny pencils. Please avoid using your tiny pencil. Use your long pencils, sharp it and concentrate on the board when I am writing on it. Okay? And write very neat handwriting. Today I am going to show you the three different strokes: upper stroke, down stroke, middle stroke. Do this practice, then you know how to write you can able to write how to frame the words, okay, in cursive handwriting. Now look at here. Now I am going to show you the first middle letters. First I will sort out the middle letters. Okay children, look at here. First I am going to sort out only middle letters which will touch to middle lines. A, C, E. Okay, middle letters. Only middle letters I am writing. O, M, N, R, S, U, V, W, X. Now in cursive, the same letters we are going to write in the cursive. Look at here, middle letters. How I am going to write? Cursive letters. A, C, E, O, M, N, R, S, okay, U, V, W and X. Okay, so those are cursive writing letters. Small letters we are written in the cursive. Look at here, this is the difference. Cursive letters. This is A, C, I is also the middle letters, isn't it? I we didn't wrote. I is also a middle letter stroke. Okay. So I, A, C, E, O, M, N, R, S, U, V, W, I and X. So those letters are the middle stroke. Okay, middle stroke cursive writing. Okay, so look at here how those letters which will touch only to the mid lines. Either it won't touch to the upper line or downward. It is not moving to upward or moving to downward. Only it will touch to mid lines. Okay. So what are those letters? Which letters are touched now? A, C, E, O, M, N, R, S, U, V, W, I and X. Okay. Now what some letters are in which letters? Upper stroke letters. What are the upper stroke letters? I will show you. Okay. Now you follow now. First I will write in small letters, then I will show you the difference in cursive writing. Okay children? That will be very easy to understand. Listen here. Again I am showing you. This is small letters only. I am showing the upward. Okay. B, D, F, but in cursive you can't write like this F. Okay, F won't come in the cursive. It won't. F you can't take it in the upper stroke letters. Okay, H, K, L, okay, T. So those letters are in upper stroke. Okay. Now, why I am not saying F, I will tell you the reason. F it won't come upward, or it won't touch to fourth line or here third line. It is. I'll show you the difference how to write this letter F and P also. Okay. For this, those two letters are some different way in cursive handwriting that I'll show you later. Now look at here in cursive handwriting. Look at here. Cursive for B. How to write the B? This is B. Cursive letter D. Next one. Cursive letter H. Cursive letter K. K little bit difficult I think for you all, but you can write very neatly if you understand. See here. How to drag the letter. Upward. Don't lift your finger. Okay. This is K. Next, this is L. This is P. Why I am not including this F letter in the upper stroke, I'll tell you the reason later. And P also. Okay. Now, those letters, now this is middle letter stroke. Those are upper letter strokes. Now, down letters. What is now down stroke letters? What are the down stroke letters? I'll show you. Now listen here. G. Okay. Q. Okay. Y. J. Okay. Next Z. So cursive letter. Okay. Cursive letter is G, Q, Y, J and Z. Now, middle letters, upper letters and down strokes. Middle stroke, upper stroke, down stroke letters. Okay. So, upper strokes means which will touch to first line. Which will touch to first line. What is the meaning of down strokes? Which will touch to fourth line. Which will touch to fourth line. This is middle letter strokes, which will touch only to the mid lines. Okay. So, cursive letters are in the three different steps. Now, we'll come to P and F. Yes, it matters more. F, how to write, I'll show you. See, look at your children. F will touch to first line to fourth line. Okay. How you should have to drag the line? See, letter go up towards down, curve and bend it. Again, this is Q. This is F, sorry. Now this is P. This is P. Once again, I'll show you. It should not touch to first line P. Okay. Now, just a little bit up to the second line, a bit upward. Okay. Don't touch this line to the first. Again, once I will show you the curve. Look at your first one. First stroke. Go down. Again, curve it. Third round. This is the F. Once again, I will show you how to write F. This is F letter. When you are writing P, this is P. Okay. And Q I had given already. G, Q, Y, J and Z. F and P both are some different way. That is, two letters are some different way you are going to write. Either you can't say this is upper stroke or down stroke or middle stroke, because F will touch to first line to fourth line. P will move to little bit second above the line. Okay, then again it will come drag, you should drag the line to the towards fourth line. Then again just make it sure, should give a curve. Okay, this is P. Now those three different steps I had taught you today. Why I am teaching those steps, you know that while writing in cursive handwriting, when you are going to join the letters, there you will understand how to write any word. If you take any word, apple, okay, if you are writing for apple means what you will do, P will you drag to the first line? No, isn't it? You should have to move the letter towards down like that. Okay, little bit it should be dragged to the second line upper. Okay. Now, if I give any other words, any example you can write. Spell the word of plant, animals, A. How to write A? I had shown you. N. Okay. I, M, A. When the letter comes L, again that L will go where? To the upward. Animals. Yes, again it is come under to mid letter. Understand? Plant. See, plant, the P again. I had shown you how to write. Okay. See, look at here. This is P. P. When will you join L letter? Again, you should don't lift your finger. Without this, again I'll show you how to join the letters. I'll show you. Again, don't make it confusion. Okay. Just now you learn the single letter. Three different strokes. You learned it. Do the practice, children. There you will understand. Okay. You may have forgotten all those letters. Practice. Now you do it first of all. Those three different steps you follow it. And write it in the classwork, and as like a 2 times you write, that is enough. Okay, write each stroke 2 times or 3 times, that's enough. But you should write very neatly, finger gap space, you should keep finger gap space and write. Okay, this is my blackboard, I was writing here, but you don't make it so clumsy handwriting, make it perfect handwriting, good handwriting. Use a sharp pencil, don't use a blend pencil. If you are using, you can't understand which letter you are writing, where is R, where is S, which is T, which is A, you can't understand, children. So what I mean to say, don't make the letters very clumsy way, writing very super fast. Come on, write, I want to go for other places, I want to play, or you want to watch TV. No, please, when I am discussing with you, when I am talking with you, when I am discussing with my class, so you should have to concentrate, you should focus on me, okay, and focus on this class and do it perfectly and show to your parents. And when school reopens, I'll check your class notebook and your handing should be very neat. Will you do it? And yes, you will do it. Yeah, okay. Now, fine. Now what I mean to say, when you complete the homework, don't write any other words. Yes, I know teacher, how can I join the letters? No, don't make it hurry. Step by step, we will go for the class. Then today you learn this session. Tomorrow I will show you how to join the letters. Yesterday I had taught you only single letter strokes, single cursive letter, isn't it? A, B, C, all the letters. Today I had shown the differences. 3 different strokes differences I had shown you. Mid letters, upper stroke and down strokes. This is down strokes, middle letters, upper strokes. Those 3 different strokes I had shown you. Do it, practice it, and tomorrow we'll see for the next class. Okay? Fine. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.